Follow with me to learn the multifunctional digital painting machine. Hello, honorific clients. Thanks for you purchasing of our products. To let you could use our product correctly and skillfully, please read our introduction carefully and read this teaching disc in detail. As for the list of affiliated objects, the working environment and all kinds of parameter settings, please refer to the introduction of our products. This set of teaching disc is demonstration of the preparation before using and the usage of the machine. If there anything that is not involved in the disc, please raise introduction or contact with our customer service center. You will get warm thorough service from our staff. Part 1. Preparation before using the product. When you get the machine, please check all the objects in the box according to the packing list after you opening the package. Then take out the fixed screw at the rear of the machine. Tear the seal of the electric source and check whether the marked voltage of the painting machine is suitable with your local voltage. If the marked voltage is suitable with yours, you could insert the plug into the power and switch on the electrical source. Then, please follow with me to learn how to install the ink cartridge. Firstly, press a button of the power on the machine. Secondly, press the changing ink cartridge button and with the ink cartridge tray moving to the middle of digital painting machine. Thirdly, open the two covers of two ink cartridge trays in turn. Fourthly, open the packing of the ink cartridge and tear the seals of the two ink cartridges. Fifthly, install the black ink cartridge on the ink cartridge tray, which has the green cover, and leave the cover. Sixthly, install the cover ink cartridge on the ink cartridge tray, which has a purple cover, and leave the cover. Seventhly, please change the ink cartridge button again, and leave the ink cartridge tray moving to the original place. If you board the machine which contains a host computer, the affiliated software has been installed into the host computer and has finished the parameter setup. If you board the machine which doesn't contain the host computer, follow with me to install the affiliated software. Firstly, please put the affiliated software disk into your computer. Secondly, when it appears installation wizard on the screen, please click Install Digital Painting Machine System key. Thirdly, when it appears installation wizard on the screen, please click Next key and choose I accept the agreement. Fourthly, click Next key continuously and click Install. Fifthly, please click Finish after you finish the installation. The digital painting system will run and pop up the register window automatically. Please give the ID number to our customer service center through internet or telephone. Then, you will get the user's password from our staff. Please input the password into the inferior password area and click Register. Your software will run normally. After that, please click the Cancel button. Exit the digital painting system and go back to the screen of installation wizard. Then click Install Affiliated Gallery. When it appears installation wizard on the screen, please input install path into the inferior area of the destination folder after it appearing installation wizard on the screen. Please click Install key, then click Finish after you finishing the installation. Then install the software of the digital painting machine's printer. Please insert the interface of the digital painting machine's printer USB into the computer's USB socket. The computer will clue there is a new hardware and will pop up a dialog box. Please choose No, not this time, and click Next. Please click Next again, and with the installation of the system will pop up a dialog box. Please click OK. The system will pop up another dialog box. Please choose color 13 for the color ink cartridge, and choose black 11 for the black ink cartridge. Then click OK. It will pop up a window. Then, please do not choose the When Continuer is clicked. Print an alignment page to help me align and achieve the best print quality in the checkbox. Then, click Next and click Finish at last to end the installation. Then set the effect of painting. It means that set up the effect of the digital painting machine to the optimal, or the digital painting machine will not work normally. The operating process is as follows. Firstly, please click Start of the XP system and choose Printers and Faxes menu. Secondly, please click Lenovo 3300 to 3310 by the right key in the pop-up window and click Properties in the pop-up menu. Thirdly, please click Printing Preference in the pop-up window. Firstly, it will appear a dialog box. Please change the Quality or Copies option card into Best. Fifthly, please change the Paper Setup option card into Photo or Glossy paper. Then, click OK and come back to the above window. Sixthly, please click Advanced and do not choose the Enable Advanced Printing features in the checkbox. Then, click OK. Notice, please check whether the Lenovo 3300 to 3310 has been set as a default printer, and it was not set as a default printer. Please set it as a default printer. Then, install the driver of the camera. Firstly, please insert the interface of the camera's USB into the computer's USB socket. It will clue that find a new hardware and pop up a dialog box. Then, please choose No, not this time. Then, click Next. Secondly, it will pop up another dialog box. Please choose Continue anyway. Thirdly, with the system beginning to install. At last, please click Finish. Fifthly, at this time, the system will clue you to restart your computer. Then, please choose Yes and restart the computer. The whole system will finish the installation. Then, please follow with me to know the software system of the digital painting machine. Please firstly click painting icon on the desktop of the XP system. Secondly, please input the user's register password into the pop-up register window and click Register. Thirdly, the system will pop up user's verifying dialog box. Because you are the first time to enter into the digital painting system, please choose admin and the password is not existed. Firstly, please click Enter key directly, and the main interface of the digital painting system will appear on your computer. It is the system menu area at the uppermost, including System User, Data Lookup, Parameter Set, Camera Set System, Help and Exit menu. Under the menu, it is a cluing area which will show the name, location, and the positional coordinate of chosen pictures, etc. It is a pattern preview area at the outermost, and you could open 10 patterns at one time in this area. It is display area in the middle, which will display the painting objects and the detail position of the painting patterns. The display area is the main area of the software operating. There are the toolbars at the two sides, left and right, of the display area and under the display area. There are all kinds of tool keys in the toolbars. At the left side of the display area, there are the two keys of the picture's attribute, which could be used to adjust the display, grounding, filtrate, color, and transparency of the picture. At the right side of the display area, there are the two keys for adjusting the size, place, angle, proportion, and painting mode. Below the display area, there are frequently used choose keys such as painting contraposition, automatic contraposition, and outprint, etc. If you move the cursor on any two key, the system will close the usage of the two key, so it will be very easy to operate the whole software. Then, set the parameter of digital painting machine. Firstly, set the parameter of the camera. Please click Camera Set in the menu area. Secondly, please choose Start Camera. Thirdly, click Camera Equipment and you could adjust the diversified parameters of the camera in the pop-up window. We suggest that, unless the brightness of the light of the digital painting machine is not suitable, you could adjust the inferior explosion adjusting bar, and please do not change other parameters at will. Fourthly, please click OK to go back to the above window. Fifthly, please click the memory style to enter into the window of the video mode. We suggest you adjust the definition to 640 multiple 480, so the pattern and the display will be more clear-cut. Please click OK to go back to the above window. Click Cancel Start Camera. Then, click OK to go back to the main interface of the system. Then, set the parameter of the digital painting system. Please click Parameter Set in the menu. It will pop up a window which includes Revise Painting Parameter automatically and adjust the Painting Parameter menu to option cards. The first option card will use the software of the computer to revise the parameters of digital painting machine. The second option card is used to adjust the parameters of the digital painting machine manually. Before you set in the parameter, firstly, please aim the two bigger ends of cone-shaping holes which are on the pedestal of fingernail beautifying tray as the two fixed speakers of the digital painting machine sliding board, and then insert the two bigger ends into the two fixed speakers. Then push the pedestal of fingernail beautifying tray into the end along the smaller end's direction. The pedestal of fingernail beautifying tray will be installed on the sliding board hard. Secondly, please put the parameter setting tray on the pedestal of the fingernail beautifying tray. Thirdly, please put a piece of A5 paper into the parameter setting board and insert the parameter setting board into the inserting slot. Fourthly, please push the parameter setting tray into the digital painting machine. Fifthly, please press the changing light button to switch the light of the digital painting machine to white light which will shine. Sixthly, please choose parameter set in the system menu after you finish the switch. At last, please click OK in the pop-up menu and enter into the parameter setting window. The parameter setting of the system have three parts. Please do the setting from the top down. The process in every part is almost the same. After you finish one step, please change another piece of new A5 paper to do the next revision. Take Origin Revise as an example to do the demonstration for the revision process. Please click Origin Revise key, then the system will pop up window. It is a button area at the upside of the window. Also, there is clone area under the button area, and please pay attention to the clone information in the clone area. Please finish the revision according to the hint. Please click Print Sample. The system will begin to print the revised pattern, and please wait the finish of the printing. Please click Sample Show according to the hint. It will appear a printed solid black square on the screen. Please click Sample Catch according to the hint. The system will find the printed solid black square and lock the printed solid black square by red square screen. Please click Save Parameter. It will appear a window to clue it has finished the revision. Then click OK. Then come back to the above window. Change another piece A5 paper to enter into the next revision. After finishing the 3 parts, you have finished the parameter revision. Then you could print several patterns to test whether you have set parameters right or not. Please change a piece of new paper. Double-click the first red pen in the pattern preview area. Please open 5 simple patterns from the opened pattern pre-election window and choose the Filtrate color option behind every pattern in the upside of the toolbar, which is on the left side. Please click OK in the pop-up window to filtrate the pattern's white background. Please place the 5 patterns to the 4 corners, left, right, up, down, and in the middle. Then, please choose Complement mode for the printed mode in toolbars, which is on the right side. Please click Alt Print key, which is under the display area. Please click OK in the pop-up dialog box, which shows beginning to print and with the finish of the printing. At this time, please do not move the paper, which is in the digital painting machine, and click Automatic Control Position. If the pattern on the screen superposes with a printed pattern, so the parameter setting is correct. Or you need to revise the parameter automatically or manually once again. Please enter into the parameter set menu again and click Adjust the painting parameter menu option card. The 2 parameters in the origin displacement are used to adjust the place of the origin. If you input positive number into it, the origin place will be moving rightwards and upwards. If you input negative into it, the origin place will be moving leftwards and downwards. The parameter in the zoom proportion is used to adjust the proportion between the display picture on the screen and the painting picture. If the painting picture is smaller than display picture, please augment the numerical value. The parameter in the excursion zooming adjust is used to adjust the positional change of the 4 areas, left, right, up, down, which is on the screen display area. Part 2. The preparation before beautifying the nail. First step. Hand nurse. Please disinfect yourself hands with a disinfector. Then, disinfect the client's hands. Trim and braid the shape of the nail. Usually, the shapes of the nail are divided into quadrant shape, elliptical shape, and peaked shape. The most familiar shape is the elliptical shape. We could trim the corresponding shape according to the requirement of the clients. Remove the dead skin. First, please wipe dead skin tannerating liquid on the dead skin and tannerate the dead skin. Then, loose the dead skin by the steel pushing device, and scissor the dead skin by the dead skin scissor. At last, push and remove the fringed dead skin by the dead skin fork. Notice, please do not injure the skin when you're removing the dead skin. Abrading. Abrade the surface of the nail by black square. Notice, please use the strength suitably. If the nail is thin, please do not abrade the surface of the nail unduly. Clean. Please use disinfector to clean the surface of the nail. If there is a downhill in the nail, you could use Q-tips to clean it. Polishing. Please polish the nail with the polishing device. Usually, polish the nail 3 times according to the order of black, white, and gray. Second step. Spray nail polish. If you want to make the full-color nail, you need to spread the white nail polish as a grounding. When you spread the white nail polish, please first press the nail brush into fan shaped at the brim of the nail polish bottle, so it could remove the redundant nail polish. Please begin to brush the nail from one half of the nail. Normally, you could finish the spreading by just spreading 2 brushes. Notice, please do not spread the nail polish back and forth. It will make the nail polish thick on the nail. The desired result is not only spread the nail polish thin but also even. Then, dry the nail polish and ensure the white nail polish dry completely. If you want to do the transparent nail, you need to spread the transparent nail polish and then dry it. Third step. Spray the special nail liquid. When you spray the special nail liquid, the method is the same with the way to spray the white nail polish. Then, dry the special nail liquid. Notice, when spray the special nail liquid on the white nail polish, you should make sure that the whole nail has been sprayed evenly. At the same time, make sure that you don't spread the special liquid on the skin, which is on the edge of the nail. If you don't spread the special liquid completely on the nail, the printer will not print on the whole nail. If you spread the special liquid on the skin, which is on the edge of the nail, the printer will also print on the skin, so it will make the painting fail. Whether nail polish and special liquid completely dry, and whether you spread them thin and even, will have a close relationship with the time which it will keep on the nail. So you need to pay special attention when you do this step. Part 3. The usage of the digital painting software. After you opening the main interface of the digital painting software, double-click any pen at the pattern preview area. The system will pop up the pattern preview window. Please choose the corresponding patterns according to the requirement of the clients. Then, click Open. The patterns will be placed in each pattern frame of the pattern preview area and the middle display area orderly. Notice, please click by the right key. You could choose many pictures at one time, but if the pictures are not in the same file, you need to open them respectively. Then, you could click the corresponding pattern option of the toolbar, which at the left side to do the corresponding disposal for the opening pictures. If you want to show or hide the pictures in the display area, you also could click the display checkbox. If you want to change the grounding for the chosen pictures, you could click Changing Grounding checkbox. If you want to filtrate one color from the chosen pictures, you could click Filtrating checkbox. Notice, only when the pictures show in the display area, they will be printed out. If you want to deal with the color and brightness, firstly, please click the pictures which you want to deal with in the display area to let it show 8 red spots around the picture. Then, please drag the corresponding pulling bar, which is inferior the toolbar of the left side to the desired result. If you click the chosen picture by right key, it will pop up a pull-down menu. Please choose Adding Words or Frame. So, you could add words, frames, or patterns on the chosen picture. Part 4. The usage of the fingernail beautifying tree and a toenail beautifying tree. The fingernail beautifying tree includes pedestal of the fingernail beautifying tree and 5 fingernail clamps. Firstly, please aim the 2 bigger ends of code-shaping holes which are under the pedestal of fingernail beautifying tree at the 2 fixed speakers of the digital painting machine sliding board. And then insert the 2 bigger ends into the 2 fixed speakers. Then, put the pedestal of fingernail beautifying tree into the end along the smaller end's direction. The pedestal of fingernail beautifying tree will be installed on the sliding board hard. Then put the 5 fingernail clamps on the working face of the pedestal of the fingernail beautifying tree together and combine them in one line. When you use the fingernail clamp, firstly, please put 4 fingernails without thumb of one hand, and the thumb of the other hand into the interspaces between the stem of the opposite fingernail clamp and the fingernail tree. Secondly, please adjust the position of the fingernail clamp to make the slab of the opposite fingernail clamp pin down the first joint of the fingernail, and depress the adjusting knob behind the fingernail beautifying tree. Thirdly, adjust the surface of the nail on the same level with the slam of the upside fingernail clamp. After finishing the adjustment, please push the fingernail beautifying tray into the digital painting machine. The usage of the toenail beautifying tray is almost the same with the fingernail beautifying tray. Please put the hose painting machine on the floor before you use the toenail beautifying tray. Part 5. Contraposition and painting. Now, you need to check whether the beautifying nail mode, which is in the digital painting mode area, which is inferior the toolbar at the right side, has been chosen. Then, please click the painting contraposition, which is inferior the display area. So, the shadow of the fingernail will be shown on the bottom of the display area. Please click the painting contraposition button once again to exit the contraposition status. If you want to do contraposition manually, please press the changing light button on the machine to switch the light in the painting machine into white light. Then put the cursor on the picture which you want to do contraposition and drag the mouse. The picture will move with the mouse if you put the cursor on the 8 red spots of the chosen picture. You could change the size of the picture by drag the mouse. If you could not see the shape of the nail clearly on the screen after you putting the pictures on the nail, you could change the picture's transparency by the transparency bar which is in the middle of the toolbar. This change will just influence the display on the screen and will not influence the result of the printing. If you want to do the automatic contraposition, please press the changing light button on the machine to switch the light in the painting machine into purple light. Then please click the automatic contraposition button, which is inferior the display area. The system will cover with the nails which are in the display area by the patterns, according to the sequence from left to right. Notice, the position of the nail should not too close with the brim of the display area or overstep the brim of the display area. Then, please click Outprint button which is inferior the display area and with the finish of the painting of the machine. When do the painting, the clients should not move the hands or the painting will fail. Part 6. The nurse of the nail up the painting. After finishing the painting, please pull out the sliding board of the machine and the two hands together. Then, uplift the adjusting knob behind the fingernail beautifying tray one by one, and take out the two hands carefully. The 5 patterns have been printed on the fingernails. Please paint the other 5 fingernails and dry them in the same way. At last, please spread the transparent nail polish on the nails to protect the patterns. After that, you also could add some adornments such as diamonds, paillettes on the nail to make the pattern on the nail more beautiful. Then spread transparent nail polish on the nail to protect the pattern and adornment and dry the nail polish. The whole process is end. Part 7. The usage of adornment and flower combined beautifying tree. The process of beautifying adornment and flower are almost the same with the process of beautifying the nail. Before painting, please do some necessary disposal. Spread special liquid and then dry it with cold wind. Because the beautifying objects are different, so do the beautifying devices. The adornment and flower combined beautifying tree includes a pedestal, a flower beautifying board, an adornment beautifying board, and inside lining sponge. Firstly, please aim the 2 bigger ends of the cone-shaping holes which are under the pedestal of adornment and flower combined beautified tray at the 2 fixed speakers of the digital painting machine sliding board, and then insert the 2 big ends into the 2 fixed speakers. Then push the pedestal of adornment and flower combined beautified tray into the end along the smaller ends direction. The pedestal of adornment and flower combined beautifying tray will be stored on the sliding board heart. When beautify the flower, please put the sponge with 3 holes on it in the pedestal of adornment and flower combined beautified tray. Then, put the wrapped flowers in the holes of the sponge and cover the flower beautifying board. Then, adjust the handles at the 2 sides of the pedestal to make the flower and the board at the same level. After that, push them into the painting machine. Please press the changing light button on the machine to switch the light in the painting machine into white light, and select Sphere mode for the digital painting mode. Then please open pictures and do some necessary adjustment. Now, you could print on the flowers. When beautifying the adornment, please use the adornment beautifying board. The way is almost the same with the method to beautify the flower.